Direka kuona project eburadetwo Vision 2030.
I think I don't even think we will do what do you call this thing when you reach somewhere and you now start talking about how far are we.
Commemoration
gushoka maratathire tuyuria atiriri maundu maria twaugire
ni tuhingitie.
Yes, because I'm sure we are not even 50-60%.
No tugithakira between 50 and 60 how
50 and 60 tondu kwari millennium yesietawate ijingi
millennium development goals.
Yes, ciare mari ukikwo Vision 2030.
Ogwa ici tubati kuhagira munyonyo ungi.
And Africa has a vision what?
Vision
Africa nenda yanda ihu
aganene na nene we.
Yes, ndio.
Ogwa tuigirire munyonyo ungi 2030 etana kinya.
Tukerego twajie Vision 2070.
Africa etagwo Africa Vision 2063.
Ayo ihara ihu. Okay. What are the goals?
It was created by African Union to guide the continent. Prosperity and peace and unity. Sounds like a canoe.
Very shallow. It sounds like a Nyayo philosophy. No, they give all those years to... No, you see, peace is something we can achieve even in under a year if we just put our minds to it.
No, it is easier said than done.
What I am saying is, if the key players and stakeholders back down, which they might not, they can might to heed that makoro mahuroka.
Goes in any case.
Are matudora bara na are mabenefita nacio ri makoro matengurio to ekinya. You see, ona masira maya makiri ali metote maya kugaya indo
ma succession.
Yes, rimwe igoti ni rikururagia maigua key play ori orarehe this told me
headliner
ri mwaka wa 96 woturo makugwa siro cio tungiundire miaka iri ri
no akorwo eteka kuria
oyo agethi sayuni ri
Tira no wage ajira.
Egwezi. Rosi aria matudura bara ni moekaini. Na mathi mone aria macha mathondekire these
Africa Vision 2063.
Makemenya andu acio ri matingekinyia miaka iri.
Matingekinyia 2063.
Ni mago mama.
Ogo ne to akoro to achieve peace.
Yes. We will actually achieve it naturally. Tata utira tukiaria muno tondu atuthoria ngui
na cogeri
ni mathire iherero eto matigithi matuini
au ndungihota kumenya
aza you know ma tu ni tu ngurani ya mehia na wega Nautinake akiwa ndakura ngimenya wega nao
na uru
eni tondu gukireba eura ithagia andu ni wega kweri andu acio matangirira ri
Africa Vision 2063.
Yes.
Kuna economic development, social development.
Yeah, those ones are realistic.
Kuna ginyo horo wa nutrition how has social development.
No, our problems are basic. And we are the richest continent in the world, resource-wise.
Tolari horo wa nutrition. Education, infrastructure,
education, infrastructure, right?
Environment,
yes.
Governance, establish democratic institution and practices.
How ne mekuongerera miaka?
How ne maguthia na mbere?
How to 63. Makinye 85.
Ekira star how?
Ekira star. Kurura how?
security. To preserve peace and security and create African peace and security architecture. How you kira jata?
How he jata? Yes.
Culture.
Peace ni tu abatwa address. Atuthuri agoi. Magakorwo me Sakaibote.
Culture. Promote Pan-Africanism and African cultural heritage.
That one we can even do it tomorrow. That one should not wait that long.
Economic development, creating jobs, increasing productivity, transform economies.
Yes. We are creating jobs. Every government comes with a promise of 500,000 jobs.
How we can dash. Continue.
Continue. Yes.
Education. Education.
Yes.
Improve access to education and skills development. How kururira?
Kururira, Yes. Reke tuga ni murenda akwera ira wira muingi.
Koromane mama ira mare.
Hey, ni mugira murituhiria wira. This is too much work. It is your DM.
Atire na haya.
Bana. Atire ni toboe. Niseme.
Na hatire na nadiko.
No tigire mundu ucio wa Djibouti.
Nema.
Kurumanie naguo.
Raila ni angirakire na wira muingi.
Ucio wa Djibouti kurumanie naguo. Muthuri uyu ni mugutunogia. Mukumunogia muno.
Now you know there's Africa Vision 2063.
Yes.
That is how many years away?
Yeah.
But
when we are in that, it will be 33 plus 5.
Yeah,
38 years. No, we will still be around.
Miaka 38 kuma umuthi.
Wakorwo kuo. Tutiago tukiuga riu ri. No tugakorwo kuo.
Miaka 38 no tugakorwo tukiaria horo wa nutrition.
Aiko miaka-inĩ ĩno vision ĩno ya craftirwo no twa discovery nginya no tũrĩa thoni meroni rĩ tũgakorwo tũmenyete maũndũ. Vision 2063 Australia akorwo kĩndũ mongerere 38
nĩ agakorwo matura nguru.
Antonia akoragio nĩũramenya ũyũ no agatemanagia tugo twa cũcũ wa Ndirangu. Mũndũ njũĩ akũrarĩte managia tugo twa cũcũ wa Ndirangu nĩ gathuki.
Ona njogu angĩakũrorwo wega rĩ.
Ona njogu be a very rudimentary old man.
Angĩaga kũrorwo wega.
Yaani nayo.
Tukiuga nĩ kũ-achieve Vision 2063 ya Africa rĩ.
Ona wakĩrũmba akinyia mĩaka ĩyo rĩ. Ndakaga tugo. Ya no estoy guy. On the new Africa. Oh yes.
2063.
As was fought for by our forefathers. The likes of Kameme Emile Lumumba, Jomo Kenyatta. Yes. Ahmed Ben Bella. The Pan-Africanists. Yes. Pio Gama Pinto. Yes. No, mother but the Muge man. No, Kameme Nkrumah would be surprised at this. Mwalimu Julius Kambarage Nyerere would be surprised. Ati maundu maria maragia
No mo turatanya by 2063.
Steve Biko would be alarmed.
No marigwo kamatigire ya.
Dedan Kimathi would turn in his grave.
Ngai agĩtũteithie na ithuĩ hĩndĩ ĩyo ta bũrũri twakorwo na vision K.
But you know, when you set a vision, you don't set it within yourselves. You set it for the generations to come. Nikiona akũrũ makĩhanda mĩtĩ ĩrĩa matakĩyũa kĩgunyĩ-inĩ gĩake.
Kĩayo.
Yes. Yeah, that is wisdom. Yes.
Africa Vision 2063.
Viva Africa, viva! Amanda!
Yes.